Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Peacock, principal of Avalon Elementary School, and welcome to our Makerspace. As an educator, I cannot think of a greater common language of parents that connects the practices of academic education in the real world than making. It is a creative and risk-free environment to accumulate success and learning at every turn. One of the most exciting aspects of our Makerspace is the parent involvement. Parents of our students are trained to become certified coaches through our Parents as Allies training program, which consists of 3 courses detailing maker learning concepts and how to implement them.
Well, I was here when the Makerspace was first developed. I was one of the Scout families came down, we helped build the tables and things like that. So when it was just a germ of an idea, hey, let's take this classroom space and we're going to do something new, it's going to be different. I was interested in what that potential could be. So this is kind of like just an extension of, oh, we made this space, it was this idea, now we're trying to do some things with it.
This program truly integrates parents into the school. It is much more than being an extra set of hands.
My family was part of the creation of the Makerspace room, and that was a wonderful opportunity to be part of a community and see it start really, from fruition. I'm definitely excited to work with the kids. I think that, seeing it from the beginning and how it's grown over the years, and then now taking these classes to learn how to be a part of the process, that once we bring the kids into the mix, then that'll really bring everything full circle and show us how great it all can be. So.